Hello, today's video is how to cut an avocado. Now today I'm going to be making an avocado smoothie, and also avocado is good for avocado toast. When you are at the grocery store and you're looking for an avocado, how do you know which one is ripe and which one isn't? Or if you have avocados on your avocado tree. The avocado is going to be soft. You can even almost put a dent into it by pushing down on it, and that's how you know that it's ripe. Usually you have to buy them when they are, or pick them off your tree or off the ground from when they fall on the tree. When the avocado has a tough feeling to it, and then you let it sit on your counter for a few days until it's soft. And when you cut your avocado, there's going to be a giant seed right in the middle. And so when you cut this, you're going to want to cut it this way and not directly in the middle where that seed's going to be. If you're wondering what this is ground turkey, and it's going to be for my next video for how to make lasagna using ground turkey. So that's so easy to cut when you're cutting it on the side, and there is your large seed. And if you wanted to, you could grow a tree from that seed. And then here's the other side, and then you're just going to use a spoon and spoon out the amount that you want in a bowl. And then you're going to mash it up, and you're going to add a little bit of lime to it, a real lime. You're going to squeeze a real lime into the bowl, or you can use a lime juice if you prefer. Please consider subscribing to my YouTube page. I have many recipes, and I also have my beautiful harp music on there. I make harp videos. I play the harp. My popular video is Canon D harp ensemble and Domestic Ducks in Winter. And soon there will be crocheting videos and loom knitting. And I also have videos of beautiful harp music with scenic photos from Colorado Springs, Colorado, Pikes Peak. Thank you for watching. So I'm taking the avocado and I've put it in a bowl, and I mashed it up with a spoon. You can also use a hand blender if you want, or hand mixer. And this is the lime that I'm going to be squeezing onto this. Now I'm making this for a smoothie, so you can also use this real-time 100% lime juice. That works well too. Please watch my other video that I made. It's for how to make an avocado smoothie. It doesn't take much lime, just a little bit. Avocado is an excellent fruit to eat. It is a superfood. It is the only fruit that has the good fat in it. It's very easy to prepare, and it only takes a few minutes. I also like to put avocado on top of my baked potatoes, and that is excellent as well, instead of using butter or bacon or anything else that you'd want to add, or sour cream. You just put a little avocado on it, and it gives you a healthy alternative. Thank you for watching.